What's going down, YouTube? Yes, you see it. You know what it is already. I told y'all I'll give y'all the side-by-side of Project X, and here we go. See, on the passenger side, right here, you got the regular lights. See, with the fluted glass and the full marker or whatever this is right here. Then on this side, it's kind of bright, so don't mind my camera view. I'm gonna try to get it so it doesn't blur the camera a little bit. But you can see it has got the LEDs. I plugged up the LED side markers, the LED, see both LED side markers, got the amber side marker and the white side marker. Got the LED turn signals and parking lights, LED headlights. And we're gonna move to the back. Check out the back. Wait a minute. Just get that sound a little bit. Then we got the tail lights. I'm by myself, so I can't really give you a good, look at the LED brake light. But we can. I'll show you along the lines how that looks. But I got the LED brake lights, tail lights, license plate light. I only got one license plate light hooked up. I got to do the other one. I had trouble with the socket. Here, let's give you guys a little treat. And here's the front with the park lights on. And you see, I got the switchback lights. Watch it go from amber to white, amber, white, amber, white. Yeah, buddy. Front side-by-side comparison with the parking lights. And you can see those are stock park lights. And we'll go over to the custom, it's the LEDs. See, it's kind of blurry, so you can't really get a good look at it, but I got the side markers right there. All the work done by yours truly. Okay, and then we got the rear tail lights again with the flashers on. Looks really good. With that being said, I did the driver's side headlight, turn signal marker, LED marker, and also the LED park light switchback light, which is the turn signal that goes from amber to the white, ultra white LEDs. And also, on top of that, I did the two brake lights, which cost for. It was a little bit less installation done on those, compared to the front headlights. Wish I could have did an installation video for you guys that went more in depth, but it was raining. It was extreme rain, and on top of that, I did run into some technical difficulties, and then had some things go on with my house that I had to take care of, so I wasn't able, time-wise, I wasn't able to get everything done as far as, doing a step-by-step video on how I did the headlights. I do have multiple cars, so I will probably do one of those videos along the lines, not with this one in particular, but with a different vehicle that I have, because I'm going to actually switch to LEDs in all of my vehicles. So stay tuned for that. And what else did I do? Oh yeah, the third brake light. We also did the third brake light. Did that. I wasn't going to do it at first, but when I pulled my original brake light out, it was burnt. the wires and everything were seared. The light bulb was burnt inside of the socket, so I don't know how it lasted that long, you know, per se. But thank God it didn't, you know, nothing terrible, you know, or even worse happened to it. And also did the reverse lights and the license plate lights. And I have to do the other side of the license plate light. I kind of can't tell a little bit, but I can tell, of course, because you know, I'm doing it myself. But I have one bulb that's stuck inside of the socket that's being a pain in the butt, so I'm gonna take care of that. I'm gonna probably do that tomorrow when I got some light. As you can see, got the light on top of my head, and it's dark out here. Got my spotlight shining. But with all that being said, you guys have a happy new year, and Cap City out.